You are watching your favorite YouTube channel Primary के पंख with Tarkeshwar Pandey. I hope you all are fit and fine. It's our English class. So today we are going to know the remaining question answer of our chapter Don't Be Afraid of the Dark. Today we will know about different headings of this chapter like word building, let's talk, say aloud, team time, let's write, and let's listen. So let's start to know the question answer of the chapter Don't Be Afraid of the Dark. First of all, we are going to know the question answer under the heading word building. So let's know the question under the heading word building. In the present question, it is given that some words are here and these words are given with plus sign. It means we have to join these two words and we have to write a single word by joining these two words. So, our first question is moonlight. Moon plus light. When we join moon plus light, then it will be moonlight. So the spelling of moonlight will be M-O-O-N-L-I-G-H-T. Next word is good plus night. When we join good and night, then it will be good night. And the spelling will be G-O-O-D-N-I-G-H-T, good night. Next word is water plus fall. Water plus fall. When we join water plus fall, then it will be waterfall. W-A-T-E-R-F-A-L-L, waterfall. Next word is break plus fast. When we join break and fast, then it will be breakfast. The correct spelling of breakfast will be B-R-E-A-K-F-A-S-T, breakfast. Our next word is day plus break. Day plus break. When we join day and break, then it will be daybreak. So the correct spelling will be D-A-Y-B-R-E-A-K. Next word is rainbow. Rain plus bow. When we join rain plus bow, then it will be rainbow. R-A-I-N-B-O-W. Once again, I want to repeat these all words after joining. When we join the first part and second part, then what will be the third part? Moon plus light, moonlight. Good plus night, good night. Water plus fall, waterfall. Break plus fast, breakfast. Day plus break, daybreak. Rain plus bow, rainbow. Now know about question number 1. Find a word in the poem which is the opposite of. Once again, find a word in the poem which is the opposite of. Number 1. War. The opposite of war will be peace. P-E-A-C-E, peace. The opposite of war is peace. Next is light. The opposite of light will be dark. D-A-R-K. The opposite of light will be dark. Next word is enemies. The opposite of enemies will be friends. F-R-I-E-N-D-S. The opposite of enemies will be friends. Next word is night. The opposite of night will be day. D-A-Y. The opposite of night will be day. Next word is gentle. The opposite of gentle will be harsh. H-A-R-S-H. The opposite of gentle will be harsh. Next word is start. The opposite of start will be cease. C-E-A-S-E, cease. So know once again the opposite of these given words from the poem. The opposite of war is peace. The opposite of light is dark. The opposite of enemies is friends. The opposite of night is day. The opposite of gentle is harsh. The opposite of start is cease. Now know about question number 2. Look at these words in the poem don't, won't. Here are their full forms. Don't, do not. won't, will not. Now write the full forms of the following words. Once again, look at these words in the poem don't, won't. Here are their full forms. Don't, do not. Won't, will not. Now write the full forms of the following words. Didn't, did plus not. Didn't, did plus not. Shouldn't, should plus not. Shouldn't, should plus not. Wouldn't, would plus not. Wouldn't, would plus not. Couldn't, could plus not. Couldn't, could plus not. Mustn't, must plus not. Mustn't, must plus not. Now once again, these all words and their full form. Didn't, did not. Shouldn't, should not. Wouldn't, would not. Couldn't, could not. Mustn't, must not. So now we have finished our question answer under the heading word building. After successfully finishing of the heading word building, now we are going to know about some question answer under the heading let's talk. There are 3 questions under the heading let's talk. So know one by one these question and their answer. Question number 1. Are you afraid of the dark? Why? Once again, are you afraid of the dark? Why? The correct answer of this question is yes, I am afraid of the dark because I see strange kind of images in the dark. I also hear different fearful sound in the dark. Once again, yes, I am afraid of the dark because I see strange kind of images in the dark. I also hear different fearful sounds in the dark. Now know about question number 2. What do you do when it is dark? Once again, what do you do when it is dark? The correct answer of this question is I start to sleep when it is dark. Once again, I start to sleep when it is dark. Now know about question number 3. Have you ever been very frightened? Tell your partner about it. Once again, know this question carefully. Have you ever been very frightened? Tell your partner about it. The correct answer of this question will be yes, I once got frightened when the sound of a frog who was caught by a snake. Once again, I want to repeat the answer of this question. Yes, I once got frightened with the sound of a frog who was caught by a snake. I want to repeat the answer of question number 3 and the question once again for your better understanding. Our question is, have you ever been very frightened? Tell your partner about it. The correct answer of this question will be yes, I once got frightened with the sound of a frog who was caught by a snake. Now know one important thing about the heading let's talk. Here there are 3 questions given. You can write the answer of these 3 questions by your own thinking. So you can write the answer by your own. Okay, the answer of these questions will be changed to the student to student. Now we are going to know about the next heading, say aloud. There are different questions under the heading say aloud. So now know about these questions one by one. Question number 1. What is the word that starts with T, rhymes with C's and means to playfully make fun of? Once again, what is the word that starts with T, rhymes with C's and means to playfully make fun of? The correct answer of this question will be started from the letter T. And the answer will be rhymes with the word sees. And the meaning of that word will be to playfully make fun of. So, can you guess what will be the correct word for this question? I think you can say the answer of this question very easily because the starting of the word will be from T and the word rhymes with the word sees. Very good, you have thought very well. The correct answer of this question will be tease. T-E-A-S-E, tease. Tease will be the correct answer of this question because tease rhymes with the word sees and the meaning of tease is also to playfully make fun of. Now know about question number 2. What is the word that starts with C, rhymes with near and fear, and means easy to see, hear and understand? Once again, what is the word that starts with C, rhymes with near and fear, and means easy to see, hear and understand? Now guess the answer of this question. The answer of this question will be started from the letter C. This word rhymes with two words, near and fear, and the meaning of that word will be easy to see, hear and understand. Very good, you have thought very well and your answer is absolutely correct. The correct answer will be clear. C-L-E-A-R. Clear will be the correct answer because clear rhymes with the words near and fear. And the meaning of clear is easy to see, hear and understand. So the correct answer of question number 2 will be clear. Now know about question number 3. Where did the tip of the tongue touch when you say T, T, T? Where did the tip of the tongue touch when you say T, T, T? The correct answer of this question will be the tip of the tongue touched the upper part of our palate when we say ta, ta, ta. Once again, the tip of the tongue touched the upper part of our palate when we say ta, ta, ta. Now know about question number 4. Listen and repeat cat. Listen and repeat cat, 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 cat. The answer of this question will be cat, cat, cat. In this question, you have not to write any answer. In this question, you have to only listen the sound of T when you speak the word cat. So in this question, you have to speak the word cat and you have to listen the sound of this word when you say. So I am going to say the word cat. Now listen and try to understand the sound of T. Cat, cat, cat. Now know about question number 5. Did you hear what your tongue did? Once again, did you hear what your tongue did? The correct answer of this question will be yes, my tongue went upward and touched the front part of our palate. Once again, know the correct answer of this question. Did you hear what your tongue did? The correct answer will be yes, my tongue went upward and touched the front part of our palate. Now know about question number 6. Say these words and feel what your tongue does when you say the given words. Once again, say these words and feel what your tongue does when you say the given words. The given words are toe, top, tie, ten. Toe, top, tie, ten. In this question, you also not have to do anything. You have not to write anything In this question, you have to speak the given words toe, top, tie, 10. And you have to feel the position of your tongue when you speak these words. Now next question is work in pairs. Work in pairs. Make the cough sound. I came down, I coughed. Ka ka ka. Ka ka ka. And cough again. Ka ka ka. Cough. Ka ka ka. Did you hear the K sound at the end of the word book? Book. Book. In this question, you also not have to do anything. You not have to write anything. In this question, you have to know about the sound of ka when you say cough and when you say book. When you say cough and when you say book, then what is difference between the ka sound in cough and book? You have to feel this sound in this question. Now repeat some words after me. In these words, you have to feel the sound of K, means ka. Book, look, neck, duck, chick, sack, clock. Once again, book, look, neck, duck, chick, sack, clock. All these words start with the same sound. Kangaroo, curtain, king, key, kind, kitten. Once again, kangaroo, curtain, king, key, kind, kitten. Now know the next heading. Our next heading is team time. So know about team time. Number 1, step 1. Divide the class into 4 groups. Number 1, divide the class into 4 groups. Number 2, imagine life without the sun. Number 2, imagine life without the sun. Number 3, what are the things that may happen if there is no sunlight? What are the things that may happen if there is no sunlight? If there is no sunlight, the following things may be happened. Number 1, it will be darkness all over the world. It will be darkness all over the world. Number 2, we will not see anything. We will not see anything. And number 3, we will not get any food. Number 3, we will not get any food items. Now know about question number 4. Discuss with the group and write your ideas in your notebook. Under the heading team time, you have to divide your class into 4 groups and you have to imagine the life without the sun. It means what are the things that may happen if there is no sunlight. So if there is no sunlight, then different things may happen. First is darkness will appear. Second, we will not see anything. And number 3, we will not find any eatables, any things which we can eat. So you have to discuss with the group and you have to write the ideas in your notebook in this question. Now next heading is let's write. Next heading is let's write. Question number 1. The red teacups are filled with a particular word. Fill in the yellow teacups with similar sounding words. Note the example given. Once again, the red teacups are filled with a particular word. Fill in the yellow teacups with the similar sounding words. Note the example given. Number 1, TOO2. The correct answer will be TWO2. TOO2. The answer will be TWO2. Next is ONE1. The correct answer will be WON1. ONE1, WON1. Next is DEER, deer. The correct answer will be DEAR, deer. D-E-E-R, deer. The correct answer will be D-E-A-R, deer. S-O-N, sun. The next word is S-O-N, sun. The correct answer will be S-U-N, sun. So now once again, the words in the red tea and the words in the yellow tea. T-O-O-2, T-W-O-2, O-N-E-1, W-O-N-1. D-E-E-R, deer, D-E-A-R, deer, S-O-N, sun, S-U-N, sun. Now know about question number 2. Now complete the following sentences choosing the right word. Number A. The sum was dash difficult for the class to solve. The sum was dash difficult for the class to solve. The correct answer will be T-O-O-2. Only dash students could do it. Only TWO2 students could do it. So the correct answer will be TWO2. Now know about question number B. There was only dash boy who dashed the prize. The correct answer will be there was only ONE1 boy who WON won the prize. So no, once again, there was only ONE1 boy who WON won the prize. Now know about question number C. The golden dash was very dash to him. The golden DEER, deer, was very DEAR, dear, to him. Now know about question number D. Ramu's dash loved to play in the dash. Ramu's dash loved to play in the dash. The correct answer will be Ramu's son, S-O-N, son, loved to play in the S-U-N, sun. It's okay. Now know about the last heading. Let's listen. Let's listen is the last heading. So know about the question that what we have to do. Relax your feet, legs and entire body. Be as quiet as you can. Step 2. Listen to the sounds around you. Step 3. Tell your partner softly what you heard and ask, what did you hear? Step 4. Let your partner talk about or copy those sounds. Number 5. Read out the following phrases aloud. Divide them into loud and softer sounds. In this question, we have to read out the following phrases loudly and we have to divide them into loud and softer sounds. So here some phrases are given. Now I am going to read these phrases one by one. Clapping hands, a warm moving, stamping feet, a bud blooming, a butterfly flying, a feather dropping, an ant walking, a car moving, the wind blowing, sha, whisper, tiptoe, a leaf falling. So for writing the correct answer of these words, first of all, we are going to classify the loud sounds. Then after the remaining sounds will be softer sounds. So the loud sounds are clapping hands, stamping feet, and a car moving. 3 sounds are loud sounds: clapping hands, stamping feet, and a car moving. And the remaining sounds are softer sounds. So once again, I want to repeat the softer sounds: a worm moving, a bud blooming, a butterfly flying, a feather dropping, an ant walking, the wind blowing, sa, whisper, tiptoe, a leaf falling. Once again, a worm moving, a bud blooming, a butterfly flying, a feather dropping, an ant walking, the wind blowing, sa, whisper, tiptoe, a leaf falling. These all are softer sounds. I think you all have understood all the remaining question answer of the given headings. So that's all for today. We will meet shortly in the next video. So for that time, I want to wish you all have a great day. Goodbye, you all. Thank you for watching.